If you're encountering the cloud save error 2025 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch 2 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the service and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Battle.net client to scan and repair your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix the cloud save error. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. A poor connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy Overwatch 2 without interruptions.